The greatest reality of life is probably the transient nature of it. The people we love, the possessions we so adore, and just about everything close to us are all impermanence. But part of our life is neatly tucked away and filed under later, so we don't have to deal with it. We miss the fact that we are all tied together, the essence of transience itself, and change is imminent. We always want things to be different, or we don't want them to change at all. We complain when it is winter, and we curse the summer heat. We ask so many questions, we spend too much time in the past, and worry about the future, losing sight of right now. And the truth is, everything is transient. There are a lot of people in this world who throughout their life search for happiness, but they are never fulfilled. For some, their happiness are just for an instant. And there are also people among us who have almost everything in life, but still they tend to seek happiness. They are not satisfied with the things they have and continuously look deprived of peace. And the reason is failing to understand the ultimate source of happiness, that is God, His provisions, and His grace. Life is always changing. Everyone is going to lose someone in their life at some point. Not just about the people we will lose to the inevitable and harsh reality of that, but we are going to drift away from people who once mattered the world to us. Our wealth, our status, all our possessions at one point, we are going to lose it all to dust. We have to accept that transience is the most universal law of all phenomena. If we understand that we can keep nothing permanently, we can remain unattached to the conditions and outcomes of our lives. And thus, when we truly recognize the transient nature of life, we inevitably become more humble. When we embrace transience, we receive true wisdom. And when we put faith in God, trust in His provisions, we find true happiness and peace.